library of solutions. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to stay positive during this COVID-19 pandemic, this quarantine life and self-isolation days. In this long-term nightmare, it is so freaking easy for us to steer our mindset to the wrong area, to the negative sides. It's no wonder why, because the news keeps on reporting the escalating number of deaths, and it's frustrating. But despite the scourge that keep on haunting us, we need, and it's very crucial for us to stay calm and stay positive. Because a negative mindset in our mind will only ruin and worsen the situation. As in our old normals, we used to believe that we didn't have time. Precisely, we didn't have time because our school, full-time scheduled school, has actually dominated most of our entire day life. So therefore, we didn't actually have time to grow and improve our skills, to do whatever we want. So therefore, in this very moment, that is the time for you to do whatever you want to do, whatever you have postponed to do. Go for it now. So going to the first tips and tricks on how to stay positive during this COVID-19 is how you need to have a good morning habits. I've divided it into 4 morning habits that you need to implement under your habits. It's important for you to have the first hour of your early morning to be a good day. The first hour in your first early morning is very crucial. It's the template for the rest of the day. So what is the first activities? What is the first thing that you do when you get up from your bed? Is it scrolling your Instagram? Is it checking your last night messages, checking your emails? That fear of missing out so big? You gotta change now that habit into 4 things. The first one is you need to say to yourself out loud your daily affirmations of how you actually acknowledge how lucky you are, how amazing you are, how confident you are, how good you are, and etc. Everything that can boost up your good mood in an early morning. Therefore, it goes to the second one, is how you have to work out. We used to have no time for working out because we used to have a morning routine to school, right? Therefore, in this moment, go have a workout, go have a stretching or doing some sports that perhaps can boost up your moods by that dopamine you pump up from that workout, from that sport. The third one is how you have to stay hydrated and keep focusing on your work. The scientific research has proven on how actually this stay calm, stay hydrated can help to calm your soul and to boost up your mood. Do not rush into doing things. The fourth one is how you have to go for a journal. Keep a journal or write something down in an early morning. Write something, the task that you want to accomplish this morning, this afternoon, this evening. What is the thing that makes you feel blessed or happy? Write them down. Talk about the morning habits, now we move on to the mindset. How we need to take this coronavirus pandemic as a way, as a chance for us to reinvent ourselves, to actually upgrade our self-growth, self-confidence, and cultivate the skills you are insanely passionate on. So go chase your dreams, go make the things that you always been dreaming of. Go do those things and come back to real reality. Come back to the new normal with a better version of yourself. The third one is how you need to take this pandemic life, this self-isolation days as a way to actually thank this coronavirus. As a lesson for us, we used to have none of responsibility taking care of the nature. Thanks to coronavirus that they give the nature's breath again. As a greedy human being, as a human being who always take granted of everything, this coronavirus teach us lots of lessons. How we need to value detailed moments, small little things, small moments like hang out with friends, the meetups, eating out, or whatever it is. We need to value those precious moments. This coronavirus has taught that lessons. Going to the fourth one is how we need to take this coronavirus time as the time to value the warmness at home. We used to have no time. As a student, we have a full time from 6 to 6 doing all the schedule at school or at our private, our course, or extra. We have that keep on being occupied each second. We didn't have time at home. We didn't feel at home, even though we are at home. Our parents are also working all day, all night. Didn't have time to actually eat together, actually share deep thoughts or sharing small things that you experience at school or everything that happens in your life. So therefore, thanks to Corona again, that we have time now to actually share moments, to actually eat together, to actually share things, or just watching the Netflix or do the stuff like our sport, our hobbies, doing with family, and feel the warmness at home. We feel at home now. So therefore, thanks to Corona that we can do these stuff. Take this as an opportunity. Think the positive sides. Think the positive way of how to actually utilize this golden opportunity into the best way you can. Cheers to the new normals. You come back to the reality with a better version of yourself. Stay positive, stay hydrated, and stay safe. Stay at home to keep other people safe. If you think this video is quite helping you in boosting up your positive vibes inside of you on our tips and tricks on how to stay positive during this quarantine life, these self-isolation days, please subscribe, give thumbs, and don't forget to comment, because we need people to comment, to connect to each other and engage to each other. Don't forget to ring bell to get our notifications. We are going to frequently posting our YouTube channel videos on Tuesday and Friday. Have a good day and bye bye!